So you might be in a situation where for some reason WhatsApp web is just not working. Now what does this mean? Well, WhatsApp web is the way of basically using WhatsApp on your Mac or PC or the online platform at all. Now, if for some reason it's not working, you might just want to go through and try repairing and reconnecting WhatsApp to that particular to that particular Mac or PC or whatever you're using. So in this case, what you can do is you can just close out of the WhatsApp web part, on both, and close out of WhatsApp on your phone, and then go through and just try resyncing and reconnecting these two applications. Sometimes just closing out and going back into it can sometimes end up fixing it. If that's not working, the next thing you might have to try doing is to try going inside of your WhatsApp application and try actually unlinking your WhatsApp from your device. So what you can try doing here is to go through, try unlinking your WhatsApp application from your iPhone, Android, whatever you have, and try reconnecting it and try going back over there again. Because sometimes that might end up working there too. Sometimes if you're using a much older phone, if it's completely outdated, the cycles of our smartphones end up going out all the time. So that might mean that within your particular iPhone, if it's super outdated, you might not be able to use WhatsApp web on your iPhone. Same thing goes for Android phones. If you're using a very outdated Android phone, you might not be able to go through and basically use it from that particular side either. So it's up to you, but that's kind of the main ways of kind of fixing this. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.